Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video by Map Painters. My name is Lalit. Today we are going to learn about the Deepness plugin in QGIS. Inside the Deepness plugin, we are going to use a land segmentation model. So let's get started. First of all, I have already opened my QGIS. This is my QGIS interface. So in this video, we are going to use Google satellite imagery. So to get the Google satellite imagery, you need to activate this or install this plugin called Quick Map Services. To install the plugin, just click in this plugins menu. Then you can find this manage and install plugin here. So from here, you simply type Quick Map. Okay, Quick Map. So use this Quick Map Services and install this plugin. So once you install inside the web, you will get this type of icon, Quick Map Services. So inside the Quick Map Services, you will find a lot of imagery options. So if you don't find this much options for your imagery, you can go to these settings. Inside the settings, go to More Service and then press this Get Contributed Pack, and you can save this, and you will get a lot of options for satellite imagery. So for our tutorial, we are going to use this Google. Inside the Google, we are going to select this Google satellite. So I'm selecting Google satellite. You can select any other satellites that you desire. So in here, I'm going to select some areas in my region. So I live in Nepal. That's why I'm going to select some areas from Nepal. Just let me see. So I'm here in Dan. So maybe I'll select this. So you can select any area you desire. So I'm selecting this. There is water, there are some buildings, there is some forest area and agricultural land. So let's try to segment this. Another plugin that we are going to use today is Deepness plugin. Is I have already mentioned that in my previous video. You can install that plugin same way as you install Quick Maps services. So plugin, go to manage and install plugin, then there you will see this Deepness plugin. So select this and install. So while installing this plugin for the first time, it might take some time, so do not hurry, or maybe sometime your QGIS gonna crash while installing this. So no worries, you can always reopen that software. So here I have selected my imagery and my study area in this region of Nepal. So I'm going to So I'm going to this website. So Deepness plugin, deep neural network image sensing. So here you will find different type of models. So inside the Deepness model zoo, I'm going to select this segmentation model. So inside segmentation, you can see different other models like cornfield damage segmentation, land cover segmentation, building segmentation, agriculture segmentation. But in this video, we are going to use this land cover segmentation. So you can see that it takes the input size of 512 and the resolutions of 40. So here you can see that the model is trained on the land cover .ai dataset. It provides satellite imagery with 25 cm per pixel and 50 cm per pixel resolution. So annotation mask for the following class are provided for the imagery. So building, woodland, water, road. So you can segment our image in these classes. So we use so other information are given here. I'm not going to read all of this. So here in land segmentation, land cover segmentation, you just click in this icon, so it will direct you to this window. So here this the size of this model is 11.8 MB. So press click here and it will start downloaded. Since I have already downloaded this model, I am going to my QGIS project. So here, so this is the in QGIS, this is the icon of my Deepness plugin. I'm going to click this, so it will open the windows like that. So I'm going to bring it up. uh, okay, let me adjust my panels. So this is the Deepness plugin interface. So in input layer, this is the Google satellite because we have used that is our input layer. So in the process area mask, it gives three options. So either you can process this for the entire layer, so that is not possible because the it will process all the Google satellite for whole world. We are going to use this visible part. So in visible part, it will only do the analysis in this visible part. Or maybe if you want to do some separate analysis, you can use this from the polygon. So you can draw any polygon here. You can only analyze inside that polygon. But here I'm going to use this visible part. So OMNX model is segmented because we are going to segment different classes of this imagery. But there are other options such as regressor, detector, suppression, and recognition. So I'm going to use this segmenter. So model feed path, I'm going to browse, and inside the download there is my model. This is my model deep layer 3 underscore land cover. I'm going to open this. Okay. Keep everything default. So in the resolution, I'm going to provide 40 centimeter per pixel resolutions, and I'm going to keep everything default and let me run this model. Okay, so this model run pretty fast. So segmentation done with the following statistics. So it is showing that background area, that is except building, woodland, water, and road. Background area might be the barren land or the agricultural land. It contributes about 82.50 percentage. So building area 3.05 percentage, woodland area 7.81 percentage, and it has given everything like this. I'm going to click OK. So a best part about this model is that so it will give the shape files as well. So let me uncheck all of these. Okay. So background area means other areas except those four classes that we studied before. So I'm going to uncheck this. So in this file, background area is mostly our agricultural land. So in the building, you see that the building it has somehow separated it, but you can see that some buildings are not classified correctly. But we can see that, it has done the pretty much good work. So let me check this woodland. Okay, so it has classified woodland like this, but it has missed some woodland in this area. You can see these are also trees. So let me check the water. So water, okay, this is the pond. So it has classified this pond very accurately, and it has also classified some of the water in this channel, but I don't think it has done some pretty work. I don't think this is the water. So let me uncheck this. Yeah, this is not the water. So let me check the road. Okay, so I think it has classified this road pretty correctly. You can see that. So this is the road, and in case of this residential road, it has done some mistakes in this because the is continuous in this path, but I think it has done some pretty good work in segmenting the road. So this is the road. Okay, this is also road. And okay, so I think it classified that uh, blacktop road pretty well. So this is also a road. I think it has done some good work in segmentation, but this is not comparable when you use some supervised classification. But overall, this is a good classification, and I think the model needs to be improved pretty much for the accurate classification. So I think in case of the road and woodland, it has done pretty good work, and this background, that is other than those four classes, it has done very good work. But in case of building, I think the building that has this metal tin in the roof, it has classified pretty well. But I think these small buildings, they use the brick tile, so I don't think it can recognize this. And in case of this cemented roof, I don't think it can separate pretty well in this area. But I think this is a good plugin to play around with your data. So it might be due to the resolution of the image, because in Nepal, Google satellite don't provide that much good resolution. But if you try this in some UK or United States, I am sure that it will give pretty good result. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. So if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, Map Painters. And we are also in LinkedIn and Facebook. You can find us in LinkedIn with the name Map Painters, Spatial Research Lab. So we conduct several training on spatial sciences and data science. So if you are interested, you can reach to us using the email, or you can directly DM in our social media. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.